Good evening, everybody. This is Steve Fletcher with the Trumpet for My People. I want to share with you this piece of information about the Google Doodle from today. Depicts a woman who has been given the wings of an eagle. The name of this lady is Elizabeth. Elizabeth is of Hebrew origin and means God is my oath. The name Elizabeth means God is my oath, is of Hebrew origin. Elizabeth is a name that's been used primarily by parents who are considering baby names for girls. Elizabeth is a name with biblical Hebrew origins. And Elizabeth in the Bible was the mother of John the Baptist. Elizabeth, the mother of John the Baptist, given wings of an eagle. Revelation 12:14. And to the woman were given two wings of a great eagle, that she might fly into the wilderness, into her place, where she is nourished for a time, times, and half a time from the face of the serpent. Don't tell me they don't know that the rapture of the Church of Jesus Christ is about to take place. I pray you guys are blessed and ready for the return of Jesus Christ. This is Steve Fletcher with the Trumpet for My People, the sign of his coming revealed.